in the process of replacing the factory exhaust with an aftermarket. Decided to go for the Black Widow exhaust. Okay guys, so the stock exhaust is off. So now we've got the replacement aftermarket exhaust, and I'll show you the unboxing and then we put it on and do the sound test. So I ordered this yesterday and it's arrived on the next day delivery. These are the downpipes. Comes with the sealant as well. Bracket. Okay guys, so this is the header and it's got a screw here to bung the hole where I guess the lambda probe sensor is meant to go. But as far as what I've seen is that you don't actually need this. This should have just been flush, because the R125 actually has the lambda sensor just before the header start, so it's actually on the engine. And a few comments I read before in regards to the Black Widow exhaust is that some people haven't received no instructions with it, and that seems to be the case with me as well. So there's no instructions. So let me get all this set up and put on the bike. One thing I will show you is that it only has 3 bolts on the original exhaust. There was just this one and the 2 that go in here. I don't know if you can see that, but for some reason there's a bracket here, this one. So this bracket here, I don't know, but for some reason my exhaust didn't have nothing there. So I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like this from the factory. But yeah, that's how my one come. So this R125 is the MotoGP edition. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and install the exhaust. I'm not going to make a video on that because there's plenty of videos out there as well on that, on installing the exhaust. So I'm just going to install the exhaust and then show you what it looks like afterwards and do a sound check.